This is part one of practicing until I become a software engineer. Basically, I'm just going to be explaining what I have done so far. Well, kind of like done in my mini projects. And if you have anything you really want me to do, comment below. Only really been practicing for a couple of days, so I can't really do anything crazy yet. But let's get started. And if you have any corrections or like tips on what I'm doing, feel free to say it. And basically, I imported random, so I get like a random number because right now I just made like a random number guessing game. And the first, I made a class. Just named the guessers, and I did an init, which I'm not too sure what exactly this does. I'm pretty sure it's if it's this is here every time I like call it, it's just gonna run, and that's why I have to put like get name. Well, I have to put like the name in because I put a variable right here called like name. I basically put like self name, made it so it has a name, has a correct guesses. I made another method where it has if I get the guess correct, you get +1. And we won't really get into this right now. But if the guesses file isn't created, then it's just gonna make it. That's basically what all this is. While true, it's gonna keep asking you for your name, and it has to be like a valid name. I didn't really make it so it has to be a certain length, be any length, but made it so it has to be a part of the alphabet. So that's what this is alpha. Means if there's a number, it's just gonna ask, say print a valid name. Then it's just gonna keep trying. Then it's gonna break once you do it. Then player equals, guessers get name, which is up here is the class. So a player is gonna have everything in it. It's gonna have the name, correct guess. It's gonna have basically all these values. And while it's true, why so I mean unless I break it, it's going to continuously run. Number is going to be a random number between 1 and 100. That's what the import random was. So I can do random dot random integer, which would be like a whole number between 1 and 100. They'll have 10 lives, and while lives is greater than 0, so they have 10 tries, they have to guess a number between 1 through 100. And if it's higher, or if it's greater than 100, it's going to print lower. And if it's, well, greater than the number, it's going to print lower. And if it's lower than the number, it's going to print, it's going to higher. You lose a life each correct. And if you enter, like, let's say a letter, it's still going to use a life, but it's going to tell you to print a valid number. And if you get it correct, then it's going to run player.correct, which is basically it's part of this class, so that will mean it's part of here. So it's going to run correct. It's going to give you a plus point. And just after you do all that, it's going to ask if you want to end. I didn't really know what to do for this or what to call it, so I just put end. And if you type yes, it's going to break. Then it's going to add you to this. So let's see if it works. My name. Oh, I don't even have my keyboard on. Let's guess the number. Let's try to do it. 20, 30, say 35, 45, 40. So it'd be 42. Oh, it's 41. So we got it correct. And we're going to type yes because we want to end it. Then if you look over here, we have 1 correct guesses. What I don't really know how to do is, since it's already ended, I don't know how to update Mura into it because I already have it. So if it's already in there, it's not gonna it's not gonna it's not gonna do it again. It's not gonna add it again. So I need to figure out a way to update these, update my already existing value. And that's all I got so far. And if you have any tips, please tell me.